Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Hindu Jan Jagruti Samiti opposes Portuguese Revolution Day in Goa, terms it as a black day for the state. Election Commission orders repoll in Baye Sankli due to technical problem in voting machine. Voting again on 27 April. Infighting within Congress continues even after polling. Sardina doubts Reginald and Mickey doubts Churchill's contribution in campaigning. Willie takes U-turn on his statement. Says statement regarding NCP's defeat was pre-poll. Post-poll analysis suggests victory. Maharashtra dominate West Zone Chess Championship for blind. Atul Kakade and Neha Pavaskar win. And first All India Volleyball Tournament at Kurtori begins on Saturday. High quality spiking action on the cards. Now the news in detail. Hindu Jan Jagruti Samiti strongly condemned commemoration of Portuguese Revolution Day to be observed by CLP Institute Camos in collaboration with Portuguese Department of Goa University. Jayesh Thali of Hindu Jan Jagruti revealed that the Vice Chancellor of the university was not aware of this happening. Thali informed that a concrete plan to oppose this ceremony will be finalized on Saturday.
A delegation of Hindu Jana Jagruti met the professors of the Portuguese department in Goa University under police surveillance. Jayesh Thali alleged that Portuguese section of Goa University and Vice Chancellor did not have proper coordination.
Portuguese sectionaचे डिपार्टमेंट हेड आसा टीचर डेल्फिन तांचे कडेन उलयले तांकां सांगले तांकां आमकां जे कुल्लू करून सांगले वायस चान्सलरान ते तांचे कडेन उलयले ते ताचे आनी हांचे मॅच जायना तशें ते कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी आसा तो म्हणटा आपणाक कितें विश्वासान घेवंक ना हो म्हणटा आपूण सांगलेले म्हणजे तांचेच बाबतींत भितर समन्वय ना अशे कितले प्रोग्राम साजरे केलेले सांगपाक तयार ना.
Thali revealed that police officers have challenged them to stop the Portuguese ceremony.
पण पोलीस अधिकाऱ्यांनी सांगले की तुम्ही थांबवून दाखयता जाल्यार थांबया आमी अशे तरेचे हांगासर जे राष्ट्रप्रेमी आसा तांकां जशी चॅलेंज दिली वता हे अत्यंत दुर्दैवी गोष्ट. शासनाच्या प्रशासनाच्या पोलीस यंत्रणेच्या सगळ्या सुरक्षे अंतर्गत आज आपल्या गोव्यामध्ये हा पोर्तुगाज क्रांती दिन जी आहे तो इथं साजरा करण्यात येत आहे. हे अत्यंत दुर्दैवी गोष्ट आहे. हे गोमंतकीयासाठी काळा दिन आहे असं आम्ही समजतो.
Our video journalist from Panji, Sunny Narvekar.
The Election Commission has ordered repoll in Baye Sankli polling station. Voting will be held again on 27. Repoll has been ordered due to technical problem in voting machine. This is probably for the first time that Goa is witnessing a repoll.
It was informed to us that the returning officer had sent a report to the Election Commission informing about the incident of failure of EVM. In fact, the EVM was showing some different figures regarding number of votes polled as compared to what figure was available in the records of polling. Therefore, the report was sent to the Election Commission and Commission, after taking all factors into consideration, has ordered for a repoll. The order is issued under section 58(2) of Representation of People Act 1951. It has been ordered that polling station number 18 of 17 Sankle Assembly segment of 01 North Goa Parliamentary Constituency shall be holding a fresh poll on 27th April 2009.
The Election Commission of India on Friday directed under Representation of the People Act that the election held on polling station at Baye Sankli be held null and void. Fresh election will be held on 27 April 2009. This decision was taken after electronic voting machine failed to retrieve the correct data at Baye polling station in Sankli Assembly constituency. The ward which will go for repolling are Dergunwada, Dempo Colony, Voile Baye, Sakaili Baye, Maregal and Salgaonkar Upper Colony. The total number of voters in this ward are 818, out of which 399 are females and 499 males. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Sachin Amroskar for Prudent Media.
Francis Sardina lashed out at some South Goa MLAs for not sincerely campaigning for him in the Lok Sabha poll. He also alleged Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald for conspiring against him during the campaigning. Sardina informed that there were no new rivals working against him in the Lok Sabha poll.
रेजिनाल्ड कुट्रे MLA ताणें इन्काउंटर काम केलां आनी एपावटी कोणूय आनी MLA और मिनिस्टर जे तुमी म्हणटात काम केलो ना म्हूण तांणी गेलते पावटी आमकां काम करूंक ना नव्यान आमचें कोणें इन्काउंटर करूंक ना
ह्या खेपेक तुमकां सगळ्यांनी सपोर्ट दिला
येस आनी आमी इन्फॉर्मेशन काडटाय हांव बेस्ट उलयना कित्याक हेरू कोण कोण आमकां येता इन्फॉर्मेशन आनी कोंत्र केलां ताणें कोंत्र केलां म्हाका कोणाचेरी दुबाव ना म्हूण हांव मुगेलो इवन फ्रेंडांक पर्यंत हांव सारको फोन मारून सांगना अरे बाबा अशें अशें आहा कित्याक ह्या वेळार जायत जावन झगडी घालपा मनीस आसताय सो आमी ऑथेंटीक न्यूज घेवपाक जाय हांव सदां म्हणटा खुंय बरी कोणाक सांगिल्लें तेका पाटी हाड तेन्ना हांव बिलीव करतलो
Sardina is confident of winning the South Goa seat by a huge margin.
आतां कोण कोण म्हणटाय की सर तूं 25,000 मायज जिखिलो सगळें पब्लीक म्हणटाय
Sardina is confident of winning the South Goa seat by a huge margin. When we had a telephonic conversation with the Benaulim MLA Miki Pacheco on the same issue, Miki raised serious doubts about Churchill's campaign for Congress.
सार्दीन म्हणटा की साश्टीतल्या MLAनी आपल्या खातीर काम करूंक ना आनी तूंय म्हणटा की तुवें एक स्टेटमेंट केल्लो न्हय की MLAनी काम करूंक ना म्हणून फॅक्ट कितें काय म्हणटा
केला ते केला न्हू साडीन हांवें दाखयलें बाबा खंयच्या काम केलां तेका खबर आहा तुजे जालें म्हणून काम केलां
खंय आमची चड कॅम्पेनींग बी करूंक ना तेणें
कंपनीन केलां तेन्ना कंपनीन केलें तेणें
ओके आनी कुर्तोरी MLAन करूंक ना अशें सार्दीन इनडायरेक्टली म्हणटा डायरेक्टली सांगता तो तेचेर कितें फॅक्ट
तेगे गांव तेका खबर आहा न्हू कोण काम केलां मेमेन काम केलां ना केलां तेका खबर आहा तेगे गांव तो
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
NCP State Chief Dr. Wilfred D'Souza took a U-turn on his pre-poll statement that NCP may lose battle in North Goa. Speaking exclusively to our principal correspondent, Murari Shetty, Dr. D'Souza said that he is confident of NCP winning North Goa seat due to low voters' turnout on polling day.
We have with us NCP State Chief Dr. Wilfred D'Souza. We'll know what analysis he has after polling day. Yeah, Doctor, can you tell us what is exactly NCP position in North after yesterday's voting?
I think that our position is good. The voting has not been very heavy. We did not want it to be heavy also because the BJP had a chance for 2.5 months to do work. We did not have 2.5 weeks. So we had less time. So heavier it was, it would have favored the BJP. So I think that we stand a good chance.
Doctor, you have made a statement that your candidate will lose because the election was late, campaigning was late started. How do you react to this statement?
Yes, I made that thinking, I made that statement that he's had a late start. This is a fact. He only had 2.5 weeks. BJP had 2.5 months. I made that statement thinking that there will be heavy polling. But it didn't turn out like that. It didn't become heavy polling. So it changed the situation now.
So you feel that your candidate will be confident of winning this seat?
I hope so. I think so. I think so.
Sardina's future in South Goa?
What can I tell you? The voting there in Salsette has been very